Good morning dear students. Hope you all are fine and preparing for your unit test exam. So as in our previous videos, in previous two videos I have already explained about the chapter of grammar that is going to come in your exam. So after that today I will explain you about the main course book chapters. So in main course book, two chapters will come in your exam, and these chapters are: first is the unit 1, chapter 1 from tablet to tablet, and the second chapter is unit 2, chapter 2, the street sound of success. So these two chapters will come in your exam. So we will discuss about these two chapters now. So here the first chapter is from tablet to tablet. So in this chapter the narrator has told the story of tablet. He has told about the two tablets in this chapter. One tablet that is used by the ancient people. So during that time they were using the clay tablet. Okay, and they were using this clay tablet to engrave the records for keep those records for the future. Okay, so these were the tablets that were used by the ancient people. They were using clay and just engraving the records on that clay, and after that baked that clay into the kiln and just kept that clay as the record for the future. And the next type, the second type of after so much of progress development, now in these days we are using the tablet, but the type of tablet that we are using now in these days, these are the electronic gadgets. Okay, these are not about the ancient type tablets, but these are the electronic gadgets, and all the records, all the data we keep in these tablets. And technology here now again we can see that the tablet is also changing. So like the mobiles are also changing. Previously we were not having any mobiles. Okay, when we were we were small children, at that time we were not having any mobile. But now we are having the mobiles. First of all, that the mobile with keypad came. After that, now we are having the mobile with touch screen. Now the narrator, he is thinking that maybe in future it happens that this kind of technology come, that we would be able to read the mind of the people. That means without saying of anything, we would be able to read the mind of people and would be able to understand their emotions. Okay, so what type of things he is keeping in his mind about us, maybe negative or positive. So all these we would be able to understand, we will be able to know by reading the mind of people. So this is about the technology. So this whole chapter is based on the technology, that how we progressed, how we developed from a clay tablet to the electronic gadget tablet. So in this chapter, this all is explained very clearly. So after that the exercise is also given. So let's do the exercises. I am not going to write anything there. You can tick the exercises here. So tick the most appropriate options. Discuss your choices in class. This is our first exercise. The main point the text makes is that writing. Here our option C is correct. Has progressed over thousands of years from clay tablet to electronic ones. As I told you just now, that technology developed too much that now the clay tablets are changed into the electronic tablets. So this is our correct answer. Now the next one is the government accountant mentioned worked. Here again our C answer is correct. Here 4 options are given. At an excavation site in Iraq as a record keeper for payments. 6,000 years ago in Iraq, and Iraq like an application for a computer. So here again our C option is correct, as a record keeper for payments. Next one is, the author says the tablet is man's best digital friend because. So here we can take two options. Okay, two options are correct. Option 1, option A, it is very useful as a tool to communicate and carry out our work. And the fourth option, it is a cool tool of communication in the modern world. So these two options are correct. Okay. Now the fourth one, the author says young kids have not seen phones with keypads because. Here our third option, option C, is correct, that communication technology is changing very fast. So as the communication technology is changing very fast, from the clay tablet we came on the phone with the keypad, and now we are having the phones with the touch screen. And now the next fifth one is, scientists are now exploring the brain, and this can lead to gadgets that will help us to communicate directly with minds. That means we can communicate directly with minds. We need not to speak anything. We can communicate directly with minds. This is our option A is correct. Now B, here three pictures are given in B exercise. Which of these do you think could have been the accountant's tablet? So here our second picture is correct. You can put the tick mark here in on the second picture. Okay. So next one is our C exercise. So C exercise you can do by yourself because you will have to name of your friends here. Okay. Next is, you have to write about here in this. You will have to write about your friends. So this you can do by yourself. Now our next exercise is exercise given on page number 10. Write homophones for the words in column A. This is important one. Okay. So listen carefully. This exercise is important one. Write homophones for the words in column A. Then match the homophones with their meaning in column B. So here in column A, the word is given new. After that, you can see in B column, the meaning here is given new. N-E-W. New. Okay, this is not the meaning, this is of the homophone of new. That means both here you can see the pronunciation is same. When we pronounce new, K-N-E-W or N-E-W, here the pronunciation is same, and here the meaning of the second new. Okay, here we have to match the meaning of the second column words. So new meaning is given here, made or introduced recently. The second one, it is already given in your book. Next is, the second one is days. Okay, and in B, here in second column, B, Philip, here you write down days, D-A-Z-E. D-A-Z-E, days, and here the meaning is the first one, a confused state. A confused state. Third is bored. In second column, in Philip, you can write bored, B-O-R-E-D, bored, and meaning is, here the meaning is, the fifth one is its meaning, to lose interest and feel tired. Okay. Next one is sore, S-O-R-E, sore, and in second column, in the D Philip, write down S-O-A-R, and the meaning is given here, rise up quickly in the air. Okay. And the next one is allowed, and in E Philip, write down allowed, A-L-O-U-D, allowed, and the meaning is in a loud voice. Fourth one is its meaning, in a loud voice. Last one is pause. Okay, and in F exercise, Philip, write down pause, P-A-U-S-E, pause, and the meaning is stop for a short time. The third one is the meaning, stop for a short time. After that, our F exercise, F exercise, complete these sentences with subject or predicates. So first one, you can write a tablet. So here you can write a tablet in the first one. A tablet. So a tablet looks like a small flat slate. Second is the clay tablet used by ancient people. The clay tablet was used by ancient people. Next one, third one is the world today is changing very fast. Is changing very fast. Next one, fourth one is dash is organized in databases. So you can write here data is organized in databases. And the last fifth one is dash organize the data and help us to use them. So here you can write computers. Computers organize data and help us to use them. Computers organize data. So this chapter is over. Last exercise. Let us do the last exercise also. Read these sentences about Mangalyaan, circle the subjects and underline the predicates. So this is very easy exercise. You can do it by yourself. So first one is the Mars orbiter mission. Circle it. This is your subject. And is also called Mangalyaan. Underline. Mangalyaan. In the second sentence, Mangalyaan, circle Mangalyaan. It's your subject. And underline is a space probe orbiting Mars. Third one, circle the Indian Space Research Organization and underline launched Mangalyaan on 5th November 2013. Fourth, circle it and underline has been orbiting Mars since 24 September 2014. Fifth one, circle MOM, M-O-M, is India's first interplanetary mission. Underline is India's first interplanetary mission. Now the sixth one, circle India and underline is the first nation in the world to reach Mars in the first attempt. So we have completed this exercise here. So this exercises of the second chapter I will send in the WhatsApp group. So today this is enough for today. Thank you and have a nice day.